To give this car its full name, this is the Audi A3 Sportback 2.0 litre TDI SE. It was released in February of this year and you can get the car from £22,125. It is not a particularly heavy car, only weighing 1.3 tonnes, and it is able to do 134 miles an hour and able to get from 0 to 62 in 8.7 seconds. It is a very economical car. It is able to do 67.3 miles per gallon and emits 108 grams of CO2 per kilometre. It is a 1968cc 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine able to have an output of 148 brake horsepower at 3,500 RPM. Thank you for watching. If you've liked what you've seen, please remember to like the video and press the subscribe button above. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.